Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Here is another digital SAT math question we're being given. Let's read the question first. What is the 10% of 470? A is 37, B is 47, and C is given as 423, and the D is 460. In this kind of questions, actually, there are many different ways of solving this question actually, but I'll show you a couple of them. The very first one is we are going to translate reverse into mathematics concept. So what is 10% of 470 means? What is in mathematics? When you see that, we just use variable. We're gonna use variable x. Is when you see the word is, you put equal sign. X is equal, again, x for the what, and is for the equal sign for the is. 10%, 10 over 100, okay, times. Why do I say times? Because when you see of, you multiply in mathematics. 470 over 1. So when you multiply 10 by 470 and divide by 100, you will get the answer. We can just go ahead and simplify these zeros because you don't have to go ahead and multiply. Before you multiply, you can simplify here. So this zero cancels each other out. This zero cancels each other out, this zero cancels each other out. So the answer will be here. 47 times 1 is 47 divided by 1. So this technically will be 47. So you can also say this. Let me show you the second way of solving it. This was the first way, but there is a second way. If you've been asked 10% of 470, technically 10% of something means it's like dividing by 10. And when you are dividing any number with 10, if it's ending with 0, technically you can go ahead and simplify the last 0 with this. Then your final answer will be, again, 47. You can also solve this question with this methods. So our right choice is B for this problem. The answer is B. Thank you for watching our video. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. You'll thank me later.